Hello guys! In this video I'm going to show you how to check the to-do list on the DrawNote application. But first of all, I just want to mention, please don't forget to subscribe to our channel, because at 100,000 subscribers we are going to show you our YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy of to make money online. So let's jump into it. First of all, open the application on your device. So that's the home screen and you can find different buttons. New, just go to the lower bar and you can find the third option, the to-do. Click that and here you can find your to-do list, the today list, delayed, 3 days, the thinking note, or different categories. And if you want to add the to-do list, just click to the plus icon at the lower right corner of the home screen. And here you can add the title, you can add a description, you can set the priority of that, you can set the end time, you can pin that, and you can linking note for this to-do list. So that's pretty much it for this video, guys. See you in the next one. Bye bye.